What's up everybody? Today's video is going to be a fun one because I'm reviewing the brand new Fast Intentions catback exhaust and test pipes that just came in this morning. I'm going to be unboxing them for you guys. I'm going to be kind of showing you what all comes with your exhaust, and I'm also going to be doing a bit of a review with you guys comparing this to the stock system that I've just taken off of the Z behind me. I'm absolutely excited because I've been waiting for this thing for about 3 months now. So Fast Intentions is known to have a long lead time, but they also have some of the best sounding exhaust out there. So let's get right to it. Let's start with the smaller box first. This should be the test pipes. The first thing I've noticed, Fast Intentions really packs these well. They've made sure to apply lots of protective packaging on them. We got a lot of bubble wrap on here just to make sure that they don't get dinged up or scratched or anything during shipping, so I'm really happy with that.
Now, you should know that test pipes are not legal in all states and are mainly intended for track use, so make sure you guys check your state requirements to see if you can pass inspection with test pipes.
There we go, guys. That's the, looks like this is the driver's side test pipe right here. The quality of the metal is absolutely fantastic. The welds look clean. Fast Intentions, of course, gives you the extended bung on their test pipes to try and prevent the check engine light from coming on. I'm expecting that this probably isn't going to prevent it though. I've heard some mixed reviews on it. We'll just have to see. Otherwise I'll have to probably get a tune. A really nice touch that I've noticed is Fast Intentions likes to put their logo on everything, even on their resonators, so it's kind of a nice touch.
An alternative to test pipes would be to go for high flow cats, which give you a better chance of not getting check engine light, but it's not guaranteed. I went ahead and stuck with the test pipes though because I do plan on eventually installing a supercharger and I'm planning on tracking it, so I wanted to go ahead and go the test pipe route.
So that's it for the small box. Those are both the test pipes. I've gone with the resonated ones just because I wanted to try and get rid of some of the crackle. I don't want to sound too ricey, as you might say. Let's go ahead and get the catback exhaust opened up. The mufflers are really well protected in additional bubble wrap and cardboard. Everything looks perfect. Let's go ahead and get it out and packaged. There's one of the mufflers. I think this is the driver's side, the looks of it. Absolutely gorgeous. Metal just looks pristine. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not used to exhausts that are this clean. With the Sentra, I ended up just going for a sort of cheap exhaust at a shop do-up, and it didn't look nearly as good as this. But there you go. Fast Intentions right on the tip for you. Just kind of a look at the tip. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get the other one open.
Now, if you'll want any information on how to install this exhaust, I've already posted a video on how to remove the OEM system, and then I should be uploading a new video here pretty soon on my experience installing Fast Intentions exhaust as well. As part of the catback, along with the mufflers, you will also get these two lead pipes here, and you will get this X pipe that connects them to the muffler.
Fast Intentions also does throw in a license plate, gaskets that you're going to need when you replace the exhaust, all hardware, and then of course the little instruction booklet. Shouldn't really need that. And here you can see the entire exhaust system laid out for you. Fast Intentions products are really high quality. Really happy with their product, and their customer service was spot on as well. Everybody there was able to help me. And of course, no exhaust review is going to be complete without some sound clips. I'm sure that's why most of y'all are here. It is about 3 months after I installed the exhaust. I just haven't had time to get some proper clips for you guys because of school and everything. But now I've finally got some exhaust clips for you guys, so let me go ahead and play those for you.
course, you guys might be wondering, is there any performance difference with these test pipes? Do I notice any difference in throttle response or power? So whenever you install test pipes, it is recommended that you take it into a tuner to have them tune the car, because when you delete the catalytic converters, the car is going to start running a little bit lean to try and reduce some of those emissions. So I went ahead and took it into Joe-Tech Motorsports to have them tune it. And here's a clip of my dyno runs there. So there you go, guys. There are the numbers. I managed to make about 321 wheel horsepower with nothing but test pipes and a catback install. I've also got some silicone MAF hoses, but I don't really contribute that to any power gains. But anyways, very surprising numbers. However, if you guys noticed, the stock numbers that I had on there before the tune were about 309. I don't know how much of that would have been contributed to just the test pipes alone before the tune. The tuner said that those are some of the highest numbers he had ever seen before actually tuning the car. And on the 370Z forums, I think I read that that might have to do with some new valve timing on the newer models in like 2015 or 2016. But anyways, no, very good numbers, pretty decent improvement in power. So anyways, guys, there you go. That's my review of the Fast Intentions catback exhaust and test pipes. I'm really happy with the product, really happy with Fast Intentions in general. Make sure you guys check them out. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next video. Later.